Welcome! In this video we'll take a look at how you change the batteries in this LEGO Technic Remote Controlled Stunt Racer number 42095. I hope you'll join me. In a previous video we built this car, so if you haven't seen that already, I'll recommend that you watch it. There's a link in the description. But let's get to it. As you can see, it's rather easy to change the batteries in this car, actually a lot easier than I expected. Please support this channel by liking and commenting on this and other videos, and remember to subscribe if you haven't already so you don't miss future videos where, among other things, we'll take a look at how this is to drive and a lot of other stuff. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.